Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amounts of steps taken on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen on the watch, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the option called Activity Records. Then tap on this icon to open the Activity Records app, and here we have the amounts of steps taken. You can also scroll down and see more detailed information, as you can see. And once you're done checking, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Another way to check the amounts of steps taken throughout the day is to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch, if your watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna move the watch to the side, bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like that. Let me move the light source a little bit away. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with your watch, open the HUAWEI Health application, and you should see the health page. And on it, we have the activity right here, and you have the steps right here on this bar, and you can tap on this bar to open the more detailed information. I'm gonna select Nokia, tap on OK, come on, and here we can check the steps during the day, week, month and year, and also you can check the goal progress and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you track the amounts or rather amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.